Hello, my little artists. I hope you guys enjoyed the video about Ireland and St. Patrick and learned some really cool things. And today, since it is the week of St. Patrick's Day, we are going to be drawing a cute little St. Patrick's Day kitten in a pot of gold. So get your paper and pencils. I've got my Sharpie so you can see what I'm drawing. Make sure your paper is going tall portrait. Start with your name. Write your name small up at the top, and then flip your paper over, and we are ready to start drawing this adorable little kitten. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with his nose. So right here in the middle, we're going to draw the letter V, as in Valentine, or Victor, Valerie, Violet, letter V. And then we're going to draw a little rainbow line on top of it. So now it kind of looks like a Dorito, but it's going to be a cute little kitten nose here in a second. Now from the bottom, we're going to draw a smiley face to the right and a smiley face to the left. We've got a happy little kitty. Okay, now we need to draw two big circles on either side of his nose. Then I'm going to draw another circle inside, just kind of like a little curved rainbow line almost, a little sideways rainbow on either side. And then want to add a little oval in the top right, or top left of each one. Okay, now we're going to draw his face. So we're going to start over here, and we're going to come down and make a big wide U that comes back up to the other side of his eye. So I want to come up a little bit above his eye. I'm coming up a little bit above his eye. We'll curve down below his mouth and then come up a little bit above his eye over there on that side. And if it's not even, mine doesn't look that even, I can draw up a little bit more on that side. So big wide U for his little face. And then I'm going to draw a curved line all the way across. I'm going to start on over here and go over here. Okay, I don't want to start right on the edge of his face. I want to come out a little bit. And if it doesn't connect to your face, that's okay. You can draw that line down a little bit and make it connect. And then we'll draw another line exactly like this one right above it. And then I'm going to connect them with kind of a little curved line on either side. That's the brim of his hat. Now this guy is going to be wearing a top hat. So a top hat, all we have to do is come up, over, well actually what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing two vertical lines. So I'm going to come in a little bit, I'm going to draw a vertical line up on either side, two vertical lines. Then I'm going to connect it with kind of like just a slightly curved line, not a really curved line, just a little one. So it's kind of like I drew a rectangle right on top of his hat. Then we need to add the strap with the buckle. So I'm going to draw another line right there, not quite in the middle. I don't want it to be perfectly in the middle, just down a little bit. Now 2 vertical lines right above his nose. And then to make this look like a buckle, I'm going to draw a rectangle right in the middle of these 2 vertical lines. We'll draw a rectangle right there. And now he's got a strap with the buckle on his hat. And he's looking really cute so far. Okay, so now we need to give him a collar. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little curved line, little smiley face right under his chin. And then I'm going to add a circle for his name tag. Oh, I forgot his ears. I'm just looking at my example. I forgot to add his ears. Okay, so to add his ears, we're going to go back up and add his ears. So above the strap, I'm going to curve up and then curve back down to the edge of the hat. So I'm going to curve up to a point and then I'm going to curve back down. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Curve up and then curve back down into the hat. Nope, I just realized this ear is a little bit bigger than this one, but that's okay. And then we'll draw the same thing, just smaller inside. Little curve up and little curve back for the inside of his ears. Okay, sorry, we forgot his ears. So get these little pointy ears done. And then we need to give him some whiskers. So I'm going to draw 3 lines on the left and 3 on the right. Okay, we're almost done with the kitty, and then all we have to do is draw his pot of gold. So he needs some paws. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a U on the left and a U on the right. 2 U's. And then we're going to draw a little rainbow on top of both of them. 2 little vertical lines in the middle for his toes. Cute little kitty paws. And then from his paw up to his chin, I'm just going to draw a little curved line on either side. Super cute little kitty. Now we need to give him a pot of gold. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be drawing this line all the way across, but I'm not going to go through his paws, okay? And we've talked about this before, about how to draw, stop, pick up your pencil, draw, stop, pick up your pencil, draw, stop, pick up your pencil, and then draw out, okay? So I'm going to start over here. I'm going to draw to the paw, pick up my pencil, go to the other side. And this time, this one I ran into his name tag, but this time I'm not. So I can just keep going to his other paw. But if you're like me on this one, and you run into his name tag, you're going to have to stop, pick up your pencil, and then go to his paw. So I'm going to go from his paw and then out to the edge. So you want this to look like one straight line with his paws hanging over the edge of it. So take another couple seconds and get that line drawn, and then we're going to finish our pot of gold. I'm going to draw a little curved line on either side. That's going to be like for the lip of the pot or cauldron, whatever you want to call it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve out, down to the bottom, around, and then back over to that point. Draw a big curved line for the bottom of the pot. Okay, then I'm going to add a little U shape on the bottom left, U shape on the bottom right. That's going to give the feet, and then we just need to add the handles and the gold, and then we're done. Okay, so for the handle, I'm going to start on the lip, and I'm going to make a C shape. And then we'll make another one, a littler one inside. And that's going to give a handle on the left. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Backward C shape, backward C shape. And then for the gold, basically we're going to be doing like cloud lines, which we've talked about before. We've done cloud lines before. Just going to do those little rainbow lines up to the side of his face. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to do a couple on either side. That one had 4. That's fine. Doesn't matter how many you get in there. And then that's going to be the gold behind him. So take another couple seconds and finish up your kitty in the pot of gold. And then you guys can get your crayons and markers out and color this however you want. But as you can see, since it was for St. Patrick's Day, I did his hat in green with the brown strap and the gold buckle. And then he's going to have a green collar with a gold name tag. And then I just did an orange kitty because I thought we needed a different color than brown or black. And then, of course, your gold's going to be yellow and your pot's going to be black. So, finish up your picture. Go ahead and color him in. Remember, we outline with markers and we color with a crayon. And I hope you guys had fun learning about Ireland and St. Patrick. And I hope you guys enjoyed drawing this adorable St. Patrick's Day kitten. And until next time.